Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Toyota RAV4 2006 to 2012? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Toyota RAV4 2006 to 2012, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits for systems such as the windshield wipers, seat heaters, rear window wiper, 12-volt power outlets, and core body electronics, including the main body ECU, electric moonroof, power steering system, lighting, and 4WD/traction control modules. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box number 1 of the Toyota RAV4 2006 to 2012 protects a broad set of systems including charging, fuel injection, cooling fans, AC heater blower, headlamps, and ABS or traction modules to ensure proper engine and drivetrain functioning. The engine compartment fuse box number 2 of the Toyota RAV4 2006 to 2012 handles various systems including ignition, engine control, audio system, emergency flashers, and ABS stability control to ensure proper engine and drivetrain functioning. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.